Hello, I'm Tammy Allen, Family Connection Coordinator, and this is Jordan Brett from Georgia Southern, and we are going to cook for you French toast. Now, the items that you'll need, you'll follow this recipe. We are doing WIC approved foods, so I know some of y'all have a hard time finding those correct items to use your WIC voucher, but we were hard working and found the exact items. So here we have the 100% whole wheat. Make sure you get that 16-ounce bag because that's tricky. Those other bags that are larger do not qualify. That is a good fiber source for you and your family. Then we have eggs. Eggs are on the WIC list. You have to get the large size eggs, and that calls for 2 of those. Then we have our milk, which is 1%. That's also the WIC requirement. And we have a little bit of salt, cinnamon, and vanilla. Now the cinnamon and vanilla is not a WIC approved item, but the cost at, we shopped at Walmart, is only like 99 cents. And the vanilla that we chose as the flavoring is 99 cents. So the whole recipe for you to make this with money aside from your WIC vouchers is only $2.33. So it's a very good item, or recipe to use. So now we're going to start with our process. We're going to whisk together the eggs, milk, cinnamon, vanilla, and salt in a bowl. So that's what Jordan is doing. You don't have to have a fancy whisk, you can use a fork, but we do happen to have a whisk, so we're doing that. It is sliced wheat bread, 2 eggs, 2/3 cup of milk. And if you're not cooking very much, you don't really think it's different than liquid and solid measuring cups. This is the liquid type that pours. Solid ones are going to be cups that are a certain size. Those are for dry ingredients. Then we use 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, is this, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and you can even delete. If you don't like cinnamon, you don't have to use it. If you are afraid of salt, don't put salt in it. But she's whisking that. You can use a bowl, but we chose a square dish just so you can lay the bread in there well. So then you take your bread. So you take your bread. She's soaking up the eggs and milk into the bread. So she's turning it several times to make sure that the bread absorbs those good ingredients. You lay that aside and do this. This recipe will do 6 slices of bread with the egg milk mixture. We're only going to do 2 for our to show you today, but it will make 6. So now we're going to go to the stove and cook it. Okay, so now our next step at the stove top. We've turned our burner on. It says medium-high heat. And then we need to coat the pan if it's not already a non-stick skillet. This is not one of those, so we do want to spray a little bit of, we have canola oil that we're going to coat our pan so it doesn't stick. Then we place our toast on the skillet. And remember, this is a very good product to make because you've got fiber in your bread, protein in your eggs and milk, and it's not excessively sweet. It's not going to have any sugar unless you add syrup or powdered sugar, but this is a really good breakfast for kids, and we're gonna make sure it gets, I like mine crisp, some people like theirs soft, but we will give this a few minutes before we turn it. So the instructions say to cook on the griddle or skillet on both sides until golden. So without having an accurate time period on each side to set a timer or anything like that, you are just going to have to trust yourself on what you see as it's being finished. So this one right here is the way I like it, is more brown, but this right here maybe stuck a little bit, so it's probably cooking the eggs through. But you'll just learn after you make this recipe a few times how long you're going to cook each side. But you do cook it well so the eggs are cooked thoroughly. So when your French toast looks deliciously done, like this one, then you will take it off the heat. Turn your burner off. And it's very hot, but you want to go ahead and bring it to the table and add any other toppings that you want. We recommend fresh fruit that you can use with your WIC vouchers, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, peaches, depending on what kind of fruit you will eat or your children will eat. And then we have just a little bit of powdered sugar, confectioner sugar, which is not on the WIC list, but the children might like it better. And you don't have to use as much of it as syrup. Sometimes kids will prefer that syrup, but try the little sugar first. And then if you personally want to serve that syrup, that's fine. But that's our recipe for French toast. Hope you enjoy it.